Hello everyone, welcome to IMS Academy. In this session, I am going to tell you a very good trick of eigenvalue. Eigenvalue is containing 1 mark weightage in the GATE examination. So if you are preparing for GATE and ESC, then definitely this trick helps you to getting those 1 mark. So let's have discussion on the eigenvalue. Eigenvalue, for finding the eigenvalue of any square matrix, you need to follow only and only 2 steps. In these 2 steps, you can find out each and every eigenvalue of any matrix. So the very first step is, first of all, you have to ask to yourself, can you find the sum of eigenvalues of the given matrix? Yes, you can find the sum by finding the trace of the matrix. The trace is nothing but the sum of principal diagonal element. If you will follow this concept, this first rule, you can find the eigenvalue in so many questions. Suppose if you are not able to find the eigenvalue, then if you will follow the second rule also, with the help of these 2 rules, you can find the eigenvalue of any matrix. So if the first rule is done, second rule is product of eigenvalues is equals to determinant of the matrix. With the help of these 2 rules, we can find out the eigenvalue. Let's have discussion on the example. So this is the engineering service exam 2018 question, and believe me guys, you can do this question within the 10 to 12 seconds. If you will follow my trick, then you can do this question within the 10 to 12 seconds, because finding the eigenvalue is a very typical task. If you will follow the characteristic equation, which is the traditional method to finding the eigenvalue, by mod of a minus lambda I is equals to 0, from here you will find out the value of lambda, and that lambda is called the eigenvalue. But it's a very lengthy method. If you will follow my rule, if you will follow my trick, then it will take only and only 10 to 15 seconds to approach this one. So here we are having question eigenvalues of the matrix. We are having the matrix as 3 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 3 minus 1, okay, minus 1 and 3. We can find the eigenvalue by those 2 golden rules. The very first thing you have to identify, you have to check whether you can find the sum of eigenvalue from here or not. If you will go with the sum of eigenvalue, then we know very well the sum of eigenvalue is equals to sum of principal diagonal elements, that is the trace only. So here these are the principal diagonal elements. So here if we will go with the addition, so the sum of eigenvalues will be 3 plus 3 plus 3, which is 9. As we are having options, and in these type of question, definitely we will have each and every time we will have options. So we can check by the options. If in the option any of the option is satisfying the sum is equals to 9, then that will be the answer. We can check with the very first option. This is the sum is 3. It is not possible. When we check with the option number B, sum is 4. This is not possible. Here the sum is 7. This is also not possible. But when we check option number C, here we are having the sum is 1 plus 4 plus 4, which is equals to 9, and bingo, this is my answer. Because the sum of eigenvalues is equals to the sum of principal diagonal element, which is 9, and if these are the eigenvalues, then these values have to satisfy this property. So with this property, with this golden rule, you can approach the question of eigenvalue very easily. Okay, let's go with the next question. Here I am having one more question. This is a GATE question which has been asked in the 2013 examination. The minimum eigenvalue of the following matrix. I am having a matrix. For this I need to find out the minimum eigenvalue, means the smallest eigenvalue I have to find out. So first of all, you have to ask to yourself, can you go with the sum of eigenvalue? Okay, sum of eigenvalue means the sum of the principal diagonal elements. So this is 3 plus 12 plus 5. If I will go with this one, that is 3 plus 12 plus 5, but we are not having in options, we are not having more than one eigenvalue. So it's typical to find the eigenvalue or the right answer with the sum only. So still we can write down 17 plus 3, that is the 20. And the second rule, product of eigenvalue. Product of eigenvalue is equals to determinant, my dear students. If we will find out the determinant, then we can easily approach the eigenvalue here, the smallest eigenvalue here. And for finding the determinant, there is not at all any need to approach the pen. You can find the determinant of this matrix without using pen. Literally, you can write down the determinant without using pen. How? Because the matrix is 3, 5, 2, 5, 12, 7 and 2, 7, 5. If we will observe here the first row and the third row, if I will add the first row and the third row, what I will get? 3, 5, 2. I am having the matrix 3, 5, 2. I am going to find out the determinant. 3, 5, 2. Here I am having 5, 12 and 7, and the next is 2, 7 and 5. If I will add the row number 1, this is row number 1, this is row number 2, and this is row number 3. If I will add row 1 and row 3, I will get 3 plus 2, which is 5, row number 2 element. 5 plus 7, which is 12, row number 2 element. 2 plus 5, which is 7, row number 2 element. And we know very well, if in a matrix any two rows or columns are identical, then determinant is 0. First thing, or if you will subtract, if you will use a basic transformation here, and if you will subtract from here these two by adding these two things, if you will use at the place of R2 minus R1 plus R3, then the determinant of this particular matrix does not make any difference, but the second row will become 0. Whatever be the values of first and the third row, it does not make any difference, but the second row will be 0. And if in a matrix any single row or column is equals to 0, then we can write down the determinant as equals to 0 without any doubt. So the determinant of this matrix is equals to 0. If the determinant of any matrix is equals to 0, it means product of eigenvalues is equals to 0. As we are having the product of eigenvalue is equals to 0, product of eigenvalue is equals to 0, it means if I am having 3 eigenvalues and the product of eigenvalues is equals to 0, then it is surely at least one of them will be 0. At least one of them will be 0, and I have to find out the minimum eigenvalue, then definitely the minimum eigenvalue will be 0. Definitely the minimum eigenvalue will be 0. Here I am having the option number A, which is the right answer. With the help of this second property, we can do this question within the 20 seconds with the very easily. Right? So this is the importance of the trick. If you guys can understand this one, you can try this question, and this is your assignment. This is again a get problem. You have to find out the eigenvalues of this matrix. Okay, this is a very small 2 cross 2 matrix, and we are having options again here. You guys can try this one with the same trick, with the same 2 formulas, 2 golden rules which I told you, and you can write down the answer of this question in the comment box so that it will increase your confidence level. Okay guys, thank you.